Hey, Teresa. Hey, Karma Cookies. 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 Happy 4th. Everybody having a good and safe holiday so far?
So far, your nephew is a little bit rugged up.
Getting ready for the holidays.
Yeah, I hope he's good because I don't want to give him any more.
Hey, Diane.
One did go off just a little bit ago, and it startled me. It just woke him up,
Yeah.
and he ran into the living room with my dad.
Mm.
So I was like, okay. And he slept with my mom last night. Because I don't know, you can hear him a lot more in my room for some reason.
Yeah. Well, at least you got a break.
I know.
Hey, Kelly. Probably. So, Jin Jin went live for like 9 minutes earlier today.
I seen that.
I was just watching it, and it got to a part where I was just like, "Bet, bitch," and I'm like, "I'm gonna go live and just go over this shit."
Oh, really?
Hey, bitchy witch.
Hey, bitchy witch. Parolee.
I don't know if it's just me, but I felt like I've been stuck in the twilight zone all day.
Yes.
Yeah.
I finally got off TikTok and was playing my games on my phone. I was like, no.
She was Dora Really, the warden, and the Fent Fent. You'll have to talk to Dora about that.
Please tell me it's not story. I'm gonna cry. What is FV?
Uh, Fent Vent. It's a Discord.
Oh, I was thinking something else.
Oh, yeah. No comment.
I was like,
God, no comment.
Excuse me, I'm confused.
Yeah. So apparently there was another live, and I don't even know everything. Um, and I don't know exactly. Yeah.
Okay, is my brain the only one that went totally left and went really bad?
Amber,
I don't
I'm still stuck in the Twilight Zone.
I don't know exactly some of the things that were said, whether I'm being blamed for it, Dora's being blamed for it, or both. Um, I don't know, and I'm not quite sure. Y'all think happened? Happened. Everything that y'all think I did, okay, I did.